Okay, now let's have a look at the bike being ridden and you'll get a general idea of its performance. You can definitely see from that footage, it rides really well for a single cylinder bike that's only just over 40 horsepower. It actually rides really well. It's got a really good sound to it, and I think personally, I know it's subjective, I think it looks really good, that sort of rugged look about it. Now I hope you liked the video and it's helped you with your research into this bike, and if you did, please click the like button just to help get it out there to others who might also be interested. And also, we're a pretty small channel, so really appreciate if you would consider subscribing. Really trying to reach that 500 subscriber milestone. Having said that, signing off, everybody take care, ride safe, and we'll see you on the next video.